In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can save TikTok draft video without watermark. So let's dive right in. After opening TikTok, from home page, you have to open up your profile and you will be on this home page. Now first of all, you have to click on this right upper side icon and open up settings and privacy from here. Then scroll down. Here you will find this free up space. Cache and cellular tab, you will find this free up space option. If you click on that, here you will find this sum of options like cache, downloads and drafts. You can click on this manage option that's showing with drafts, and here are drafts. Now you can open up any draft that you want to saved video without watermark. I will open this one. Then on the right side it will show you the sum of options. If you click on this arrow that's showing at last and swipe it up, it will show you this save option. Click here and you will find this notification save to album, and if you open up your gallery you will find here a video that we have just saved from TikTok drafts without watermark. So that's the process to save TikTok draft video without watermark in just few easy steps.